Noong 2016, tumatakbo si Senator Risa Ontiveros na senator, nakailang talo na siya. So,
Dalawa, Madam Chair.
okay, dalawa. Natatakot siya sa pangatlong talo niya, kaya pumunta siya sa Davao. Humingi siya ng tulong. Tinulungan siya ng isang kagawad ng Davao na ngayon hindi na siya sinusuportahan. Humingi siya ng tulong sa akin, thinking na hindi mananalo si President Rodrigo Duterte. Kinausap niya ako ng kinausap doon sa law office ko sa Davao City. Sabi ko sa kanya, o sige, tutulungan kita. Chinika niya ako ng chinika. Tapos umalis siya. Siyempre, hindi naman siya tumutulong kay Pangulong Duterte. Hindi din totoo yung sinabi ko na tutulungan kita. Tinext niya ako. Pwede ba akong mag-follow up sa hinihingi kong tulong sa boto dyan sa Davao City? So sabi ko sa kanya, okay, sige. So, tinawagan ko at sinabihan ko at pinakiusapan ko ng pinakiusapan si former Congressman Milen Garcia. Sabi ko sa kanya, Kong, tulungan mo ito. Bigyan mo na lang ng ilang barangay mo at ilang mga leaders mo. Ayaw pa siya tulungan ni former Congressman Milen Garcia. Pinakiusapan ko ulit, Kong, please tulungan mo na lang. Nanalo na siya at nung nanalo siya, anong ginawa niya? Siya ang pinakaunang umatake kay President Rodrigo Duterte. Anong tawag sa ugaling ganito?
With due respect to our resource persons and also our colleagues, I think this doesn't really. I understand there's history among all of us here, but I think that we should really stick to the budget, and I think this is just being very objective. I would like to ask, but also
Yes.
I understand the emotion is high. But let's continue on. If you have any more questions, Senator Risa, we will
Those
have
are just my 2 questions, Madam Chair. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Senator Tolentino, you had your hand raised earlier.
I was about to ask for a minute suspension of the hearing, but since the good chairperson of this committee already gave her guidance on how this budget hearing should proceed, I defer to the wisdom of the chairperson.
Thank you. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Bong Revilla and Senator Robin Hood Padilla. Thank you. Anybody else? Senator Mark Villar as well. And Senator Alan, Senator Alan Cayetano. Any more questions?
Yes.